this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a schedule appointment form. Just go into your website here. If you already have a schedule appointment page, you can open that. And if you need to find the form, go over into Forms and just drag and drop it onto the page. Now to edit this form, we'll just click anywhere on it. We have three main sections we can edit. We're going to start with the service configuration. That'll let us edit the services we offer. So you can see these services here. You can drag and drop to rearrange, press the X to delete, or add a new service. I'm going to go ahead and add an auto detailing. Hit create. I'm going to want to keep this other as the last item on our list, so I'm just going to drag that and drop it on the end and apply changes. You can see our list has been automatically updated to best fit all the items we offer. Now if I want to go into address info, maybe we have two addresses we want to include here, so we can hit multiple. We have an option to add a second address here. So we'll type in just a sample address. And we can put another phone number. And apply changes. Now you see we have an option to choose locations at the top. Previously this field wasn't here because it was only the one location. You can always add a third address as well. We go into hours here. This is going to be the time options that people can choose when they're scheduling their appointment. So you can see right now we only have Monday through Friday checked. If we wanted to offer appointments on Saturday, we could check that as well. We also have the option to add multiple time slots on specific days. Maybe on Monday we only want to offer appointments until 12 p.m. And then we're going to start up again at 2 p.m. Leave a little gap for lunch there. So that means people can schedule from 9 to 12 p.m. and then a break, and then they can schedule again from 2 to 7. And you can add as many time slots as you want for each day. So we'll apply changes here. We're going to save our changes and publish. Now we're going to go onto our service page here. We can see our appointment form. We can select which location we want. We can choose what services we are interested in. You can type in your own custom one here. We'd fill out our vehicle information, contact information. Then we have two different choices here to request for time. Now if you put in Wednesday, we're going to see the times that we had for Wednesday, which is going to be from 9 to 5. And if you remember, we edited the Monday times. So if we choose a Monday here, we'll see we have 9 to 12, and then there's a gap until 2 o'clock, and again until 7. There's a space for users to write in comments. And then once they're done, you just hit submit. And you'll get notified if you have your email and text set up. You can also find them in the Lead Manager. And that's all for this tutorial.